Hello there, fellow electronics lover. In today's video, we'll be exploring electrostatics. I'll demonstrate two experiments. First, with a balloon and some aluminum foil, then we'll go over electroscopes. While I'm trying to make this work, let's see why it actually works. So here you have your balloon, then the aluminum foil confetti. The aluminum confetti is pretty much negatively charged, as almost everything else. Then when I rub the balloon against my hair, the balloon picks up and changes charge to positive. And as we all know by now, opposite charges attract each other. So that is the reason for the flying confetti. As you can see in the final version, I changed up some things. I laid down a sheet of aluminum foil to separate charges to make it all a bit more effective. Alright then, let's look at our electroscope. Here it is. It looks a bit amateur, I know. But yeah, here it is. You see those little leaflets are the things that's gonna be moving apart. It is basically bolted onto the bolt. And then I just took a plastic lid, covered it in aluminum foil, put a bolt in it, and that's pretty much it. This is the whole thing. Oh yeah, and the jar. The jar is the most important part of it. Here, I was trying to make it work without realizing that it's not isolated from the desk. I kept doing the same thing over and over again for 30 minutes before I realized that I need to put something under it to isolate it. Because as of right now, if you look really closely, you'll realize that the leaflets are not moving. Now I put my mouse pad under the electroscope and tried it this way, and let me tell you something, the difference is very big. Well, not actually. It's moving now. It works. Finally, it works. It's not the best, but it's a good proof of concept. And here is our working electroscope. Alright, let's look at how it works. So we have our jar here. And after that, we will have the aluminum top. Then we have our little bolt that goes down the middle of the jar, and after which we will have the leaflets. And let's not forget about the most important part, the balloon itself. So again, as with the balloon experiment, what happens is charges differ. Well, in this case, they actually don't. Again, the balloon is positively charged. The top of the jar, which is, well, the aluminum top, is negatively charged. They attract each other, or in other words, they take charges from each other. The lid takes the positive charge from the balloon, so it should become positively charged, right? Not really. See, the top of the lid keeps its negative charge. But where does the positive charge go? Well, this is where charge separation happens. The top of the lid, or the electroscope, is negatively charged, while the lower bit, where you have both of the leaflets, are positively charged. Thus, they repel each other.